Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss those important first posts and stories from your favorite accounts on Instagram, turning on vibration notifications is a smart move. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable vibration specifically for first posts and stories, so your phone gives you a gentle buzz whenever there's something new to see. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your main settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your device's apps and notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up the app-specific settings. Once you're in the Instagram settings, look for the option that says Notifications. Tap on this to access all the different types of notifications you can customize for Instagram. Now, you'll see a list of notification categories. These categories help you control exactly what kind of alerts you get from Instagram. Find and tap on Notification Categories. Inside Notification Categories, scroll until you see First Posts and Stories. This is the feature that lets you know when someone you follow shares their very first post or story of the day. Tap on First Posts and Stories to open the detailed settings. Here, you'll see a toggle switch for Vibrate. Simply switch this on. Now, whenever you get a notification for first posts and stories, your phone will vibrate, making sure you never miss a moment. That's it. You've just set up vibration alerts for first posts and stories on Instagram. It's a quick and easy way to stay connected with your favorite creators and friends, even when your phone is on silent. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with every new post and story.